Hello friends, today I would like to recommend you a cutting machine, our Ventech brand cutting machine. It is especially for the pre-insulated duct board cutting. Our Ventech cutting machine is controlled by software. There are many design or fitting in our software library. It can do straight cut very easily and fast by 5 cutting heads here. And it is equipped with a 5-axis cutting head to do the fitting cut with high accuracy. Now we have sold this machine to many countries and markets all over the world. If you are interested in our machine, please welcome to inquiry to us. If you have our machine, you will be the market leader.